So similar to the last video where I showed the benefits of instant Veeam recovery using the Veeam backup and replication user interface and that easy, simple approach to just driving through a wizard to get that machine back up and running, I wanted to show you just another area, another way in which we can use that. So let's go back to that WordPress, that critical WordPress machine that we've got in our vSphere environment. And you'll see it here that we can then run in. Let's simulate that power off. We can see over on the right hand side that we've got that still up and running. Simulate that failure. So hopefully we'll see that ping stop. And then let's just go and delete that from our environment. So pretty substantial, catastrophic failure. Now, before we went through the VBR console to recover that, in this instance, I want to show you the power of PowerShell in terms of being able to drive that same fast recovery process. So I have a very simple PowerShell script. Everything's available on the Veeam PowerShell reference guide, but ultimately I'll share this as well as part of the post. So if we want to run through and run this recovery, so we can see that it's a WordPress demo, and we're going to run through just getting these variables, and then at the end there, this last point is start that instant Veeam recovery process, and we're going to recover that back into our environment. If we did just want to see what that looks like from a VBR perspective, we can come in here and we can see the process again. But if we're all going to be looking at this PowerShell and an automated fashion of being able to recover these machines, and it could be that same test and dev type environment. Someone wants to have a copy of the most recent restore point for their development, then this caveat or this variable set in here is we're going to take the most recent created backup restore point, and already you can see over here that machine is back into production, and we can see that that the ping will start to come up as well. And then that just shows that we've got that easy wizard driven approach, which 90% of our customers are absolutely going to be fine with. Again, when that pressure's on and you need to get that machine back up and running, a quick next is ultimately going to be the fastest way. But if you did want to go down that automated route of being able to bring that machine back up and bring it back up into production, then we've got the PowerShell to be able to do that as well.